Hi friends, welcome to part 4 of how to create a back to school welcoming slide for the first day of school as it is just around the corner. If you haven't watched part 1 to 3, then please go watch it or you might not understand what we're doing here. So why don't we just try these marker characters. Maybe I could add this for kind. Yeah. No, responsible since she's doing that emotion. I think I'll make this circle. Make it red. Some primary colors maybe because like these primary rules. For this one, we're gonna add caring. So I wonder what's gonna fit best for caring. Maybe this one because it's happy, and when you care about others, definitely feel happy. Oh, how could I forget? Kind. Guess I'll put kind. Oops. Wait. No, where did it all go? It's pretty surprising. Wait. Seriously, where did it go? Let me copy paste it. Oh, there we go. So maybe I can get it back now. But it was aligned and all. No. Just one because there was a glitch. Then now I'm going to go, maybe because for kind, we'll have a pointing one that she's maybe helping someone. So she's being kind by helping someone. So I'm going to add that. And Powtoon is animated. This is why we're using it. So students will have a little more interest, especially because we're targeting age group of grade 1. So they would rather like animations and all colors and fun stuff. So stars. I'm going to go to this slide. Next one. I think I'm going to delete this slide. Oh, no, what's happening? Oh, that's pretty weird. I think I want to delete this slide. Yeah. Ooh, so that slide's gone. Now we just want to scroll back up. So now we have this awesomeness slide, which I think maybe will add awesomeness. Now we're going to play a game. So you know when we went to the play some games slide and you were wondering what games, like how are we going to make games? What do you mean? Well, we're going to make our own games with the help of YouTube videos. So here I'm going to delete all the stuff on this slide. I'm just going to get all this stuff out. I guess I could have just made a new slide, but I'm using a template, so. And the reason I'm using a template, because again, it has so many like helping things. Like backgrounds, text, it's all got matching text and stuff. So it's kind of helpful. It also looks good. So that's why. So now we're going to type let's play. What is this? We'll just put right here. So what is this? Oh, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and watch part 5.